Hi viewers, welcome to Pebbles. Today I'm going to show you how to make a single designer bangle. Okay, let's start. Take a pink and yellow color thread. Take a bangle, apply glue and paste first pink color thread. I have taken a 30 to 35 strands of pink color thread. Divide a bangle into half and we are going to wrap half pink color and half yellow color. This is a gold color shade thread. Wrap it tightly. In half of the bangle I have wrapped pink color now. Now after wrapping, at the end cut the extra thread. Apply glue at the end and paste it. Now again apply glue on the side and paste yellow color thread. Similarly I have taken yellow color also 30 to 35 strands. After pasting, wrap it and balance bangles. Wrap it tightly on a balance area. After wrapping, cut at the end. Apply glue at the end and paste. And now we have wrapped all over the bangle. Apply glue at the center, all over the bangle, and paste gold color ball chain at the center. After pasting, cut at the end and paste it tightly by pressing. Now the side of gold color ball chain, apply glue all over the bangle. Paste a pink color pearl chain, big size pearl. Paste it at the side of ball chain where we have pasted and paste it tightly all over the bangle. After pasting, cut at the end. Now on the other side, similarly apply glue. All over the bangle. And again paste a pink color pearl chain, big size pearl chain, all over the bangle. After pasting, cut at the end and paste it. Now again take a pearl chain and cut 6 pearls of 4 similarly, and we are going to paste this at each color corner of a thread, both color where both color meet. Paste at the corner by applying a glue on both the sides. Now we have pasted one side. Turn and apply glue on the other side and paste it. again similarly. Now we have pasted one corner. Take another corner and apply glue. Place a pearl chain. Sixth pearl chain. Turn and on the other side apply glue and paste again. And now we have pasted on both the sides. Now a bangle is ready now. You can also try this very easy one. Anyone can do this. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe Pebbles. Thanks for watching.